Looking at quantities, how to say how much of something we want to buy. So a kilogram, which is about 2.2 pounds, is un kilo. One thing that we didn't talk about in class is if you have a price per kilo, such as with produce or something like that, you'll say the price and then le kilo. So for example, if something is 3 euros for a kilogram, it would be 3 euros le kilo. A pound does actually get used sometimes in France simply because a kilogram is so much. So you're coming up on 2.5 pounds. If you're buying, for example, 2.5 pounds of, say, hamburger, that's a lot of hamburger. So if you don't want quite that much, you can order une livre, a pound, une livre. Yes, this is a very, very, very important distinction. Une livre is a pound, and un livre is a book. The only difference is if the word is masculine or feminine. A dozen is une douzaine. Sounds pretty much the same, spelled slightly different, has a little bit of an accent to it. Une douzaine. A package of something is un paquet de. Un paquet de. So we're going to use this anytime we're not selling something directly by weight, or it's not countable, like being able to say that you have 3 apples or a dozen eggs. So you would see this a lot with things like if you're buying pasta, if you're buying like flour or sugar or something like that, we simply buy un paquet de. And then finally, une tranche de, a slice of something. This is going to be especially important at the charcuterie, which specializes in slicing meats in particular. So, for example, une tranche de jambon, a slice of ham. French people go grocery shopping so often that you could often hear someone say that they're ordering a certain number of slices rather than a certain weight. You definitely can order them by weight the way that we do here. So, for example, une livre de jambon, so you're getting a pound of ham. But especially if you're buying like prepackaged things at a supermarché, or you're just buying like a smaller amount, you can specify how many slices you want. So maybe you want une douzaine tranche. So you want a dozen slices of something.